over there? Bastion, right. Bastion. And who's this right here? Lala, right? Who's this?
Mama.
Mama. Can you say, love you?
Dada.
Yeah, Dad, right. Can you say, love you?
Dada.
I love you too, Illy. I love Illy.
Dada.
You love Dada?
I love Illy too.
Did you get your hair washed last night?
No.
Who washed your hair?
Dada.
Dada did it?
Dada.
Who takes you to the mall?
Grandma.
Grandma, yeah.
Where's Grandma?
Who takes you to Waffle House?
Papa.
Papa does? Does Grandma take you?
No.
Illy, does Grandma take you to Waffle House?
No. Yes.
Who gives you Jell-O?
Where's Grandma?
Well, I know you know who gives you Jell-O. Who gives you fruit snacks?
Where's Grandma?
Are you pooping?
Regular Grandma.
Regular Grandma?
And where's Grandma?
Good morning, Sebastian. Who goes to school?
JJ.
AJ, right. Who rides the school bus?
JJ.
AJ does. Who's in your play group? Who are your friends?
Red.
Who's your friend?
Red.
Just your friends. Okay. Who pushes you on the swing?
JJ.
What about Mama? Does Mama push? Does Mama?
JJ.
AJ. Who sleeps with you in your bed?
JJ.
AJ doesn't sleep in your bed. Does
Lala.
Lala sleeps in your bed, don't they? Yeah. What are you eating?
Blood.
Bread. Right. What are you drinking?
Hot.
Your cup? What's in your cup?
Water.
Water? Is that water in your cup? What's in there? Taste it. Taste it. No, you won't do it. Okay. You're very cute, Ileana. Finish your breakfast.
Mine
Good
is
girl.
me.